And the stockings were hung by the chimney with care, with hopes that NASCAR Tyler would soon be there. Oh, hey guys. Merry Christmas Eve to all that celebrate. I just got back from Kohl's. I saved Christmas Day. The wife wanted matching pajamas, so I got 2 pairs of women's ones. These are incredibly tight. That's why the shirt's not on. Anyway, we're here because it's Christmas Eve. It's time to open one present. Let's see what's inside. Shout out Emily's wrapping. Wow, this paper is interesting. Oh my God, babe, did you get me the RFK Mystery Box? The $100 version?
How do you know it's the $100 version?
I just have a funny feeling. Oh my God. I put this on my Christmas list to Santa. Let's see what's inside. I hope nothing fragile. Whoa, we got all sorts of goodies in here, guys. Starting us off with the Brad Keselowski King's Hawaiian koozie. To pair with the Chris Buescher, the Mr. Buescher koozie. Then we have the Nexletech Nexletzet. What does this prescription do? You got any idea?
I think it's for your cholesterol.
It's for your cholesterol. Oh, and it's got a pink brim. Lovely. Next up. Guys, this is absolutely god-awful. I'm just going to shoot it to you straight. This is terrible. This will never see my head. If you want it, leave a comment. Then we have the Brad Keselowski keychain. The cat wants that one. Moving on. Oh!
I did pay for that to get free shipping. That did not come in the mystery box.
This did not come in the mystery box. The wife paid for this for free shipping. But this is wonderful. This is lovely. It's a Christmas ornament. That's going to go on the top of the tree. Moving on. We're keeping up with the Brad Keselowski theme. A massive flag. This might go in the living room. Now we have an RFK t-shirt hoodie type thing. Nice. And last but certainly not least, we have a Chris Buescher license plate tag. I have to be honest, guys. This is far from a Christmas miracle. This is kind of disappointing, to be so for real. I guess they didn't get the memo who it was for. Merry Christmas, everyone.